Hey traders, welcome back to BullishBob Live. Today, I'm excited to introduce our new quick scalp strategy, designed to help you make fast and informed trading decisions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add this strategy to your TradingView chart and how to optimize it for your trades. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and navigate to the Indicators and Strategies tab. Here, you'll want to select invite-only scripts to access our custom library. From the list, select Quick Scalp Strategy, and this will add it to your chart. Our Quick Scalp Strategy is designed with custom overlays for better visualization. You'll see watch labels when it's time to start watching for a possible setup. This feature was added based on our feedback from our community to help you prepare faster. When our strategy conditions are met, buy labels will appear. Additionally, when a trade is open, you'll see a green line and label indicating the profit target price and a red line and red label showing the stop level price. This helps mitigate risk and gives a clear indication of strategy rules. We've also added profit and stop prices as labels on the chart for clear instructions. Below the chart, you'll find a window displaying the results of this strategy. With our strategy backtester, you can see which timeframes and settings can be optimized for any ticker. The strategy tester will show how many trades were tested and whether the strategy was profitable. By switching timeframes on the chart, you can see different results. This allows us to be better prepared, knowing that the current stock may respond better on certain timeframes than others. If you double-click on the strategy title, you can open up the settings. Under the Inputs tab, you'll find the user options that can change the results of the backtester. Feel free to experiment with these settings and find new ways to add value with a strategy and share your findings in our private Discord. Currently, you can adjust the percentage for the profit target in the inputs. This lets you stay in the trade longer or combine the strategy with other indicators to identify exit signals. With our quick scalp strategy, you can make better informed trading decisions. This is version 3 of our quick scalp strategy, but we will be releasing new versions for our elite members in our Discord. Visit BullishBobLive.com for more powerful strategies and indicators and join our Discord today. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and visit BullishBobLive.com for more powerful trading strategies. Remember, be patient, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.